Hi kids. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's learn colors name. Violet, yellow, black, light green, green, sky blue, pink, brown, red, pink, blue, and orange color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Kids, thanks for watching. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.